All right, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Etsy. First, log into your Etsy account from your browser or the app. Next, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the dropdown, click on Purchases and Reviews. This will bring up all your purchases and reviews. But as you can see, I don't have any purchase history, so there's no reviews I received yet. But if you have purchase history or reviews, you should see all of them in this section. If you want to leave a review on your purchase, find the order you want to review and click Leave a Review. Select the number of stars you want to give and write your review in the text box. You can include details about your experience with the item and the seller. Optionally, you can add photos of the item to your review. Finally, click Post your review to submit it. And that's it. You've successfully left a review on Etsy. Thanks for watching.